Here we go. All right, we are here at the Grice. What is this, Chantel?
It's the Grice Auto Museum, Antique Auto Museum.
Full of cars and game mounts. Pretty cool. We took a little getaway weekend with no kids, so we get to do whatever we want as slow as we want.
We are in Clearfield, Pennsylvania.
Nice. Can you imagine meeting this guy in the woods? It's like a pumper on the front of it. That's pretty cool.
Look at the porcupine. He's an African porcupine.
The African porcupine with the fro?
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
That's a bear about the size of that one that was in our yard the other day. Look at all these bears. Yeah, we get these in our yard all the time. Pretty cool. Notice this Model A Ford has stacks on it. Coyote. That one's from Arizona, but we get those around our yard too. Wonder why they got the bear rug on the hood. Was the hood like damaged? So they.
Right?
There's a zebra back there. A cord, huh? That thing is cool looking.
Here, Ryan. Look at the hood on this thing.
Big old set of horns.
Look how long the hood is. Oh, this is
That thing is gaudy. Holy smokes.
this is a
It's two hoods glued together. The bow hog. Why? Did they just extend it just so they could put those spare tires on there?
yeah.
There's probably not even real tires in it.
Okay, guys, we found
Spotting.
That thing's cool looking.
Should I send it to Billy? We found one.
There you go. Hey, Billy, we found an elk.
That car's crushed.
That's a lot of deer heads.
A lot of heads. There you go, Ryan. Get a little more free.
70s there, all right?
Yeah, it's big enough. Well, it could be early, late 60s.
They got a couple Crosleys in here. A few of them. Somebody must have been into them.
Well, here's their panel delivery.
Yeah, I was gonna say there is. Got 5 of them in here.
7. 1, 2, 3.
Are those Crosleys back there
We
too?
got the same
Oh,
model.
okay. Yeah, jeez. Hot Shot's nothing more. It's like a hand-built go-kart, man. Cost $929 new.
This is messed up sale on it.
That's nutty. All 26.5 horsepower of it. One of 6 known to exist. That's pretty cool. This thing's weird. A Zimmer. When I worked at the grocery store, a lady drove one of these Zimmers in. Her and her friends, they were out picnicking in it. Hers was cream colored. Little Red Express. Seen these before. Griffin's got 2 of them up in their dealership. Super 88. What happened to that?
The roof collapsed in '94. He decided not to restore it completely.
Oh, when the original museum collapsed, huh? Huh.
There's the pictures from it.
Wow.
So whose insurance covers that?
The buildings.
6 cars have not yet been repaired, huh? Wow. Those are some pretty big beams up in there, Tiv.
They must be hauled. They're just like tin. They just folded over.
Snow and ice is too. Could you imagine how sick you'd be? You come in and see that?
Puking. I'd puke.
Like, wow.
Well, now there's ideas, different ideas.
How about the wheels on this Ford? The hubcaps are wild. I don't think I've ever seen. There's an estimated $15,000 worth of chrome on this.
The whole bed's chrome.
And look, it's got horns on the hood like the like the extended caddy. Somebody was into horns. That Lincoln's pretty nice. I'm not even a 70s era fan, but it's nice looking. Holy crap, they chromed the bed too?
Yeah. Well, I mean,
Jeez.
No, the whole bed.
It's a wooden bed. You can't chrome wood, but
Oh yeah, the framing.
jeez. That's kind of interesting how they took step side, but then put the board in there to. Huh.
Enough for money for the rest of the chrome.
Why do you need that kind of chrome?
Self-indulgent.
Tail on that one's cool. I like those kind of fins. Yeah, Continental kit, but the fins are similar to your car. How they come back and do that. I bet the lights are more visible than yours though. 59 Caddy convertible. There's some fins for you.
This is the car that started it all.
The car that started it all, huh?
First vehicle that Mr. Grice bought to start his collection. Yeah.
Fun. Is that an albino mountain lion?
Albino lion.
It says Arizona lion.
Arizona.
Too hot, so they grow them white out there.
Big lady's car. Fairlane.
A lot of wood in that. Some of these old Ford trucks that they used to build the bed out of the crate that the other parts came in. It's got the crank holder.
Yeah. I tried to crank that one mall that we had at work that time. I broke my arm off. I'll never try that again.
This Chevy Coupe's kind of cool looking.
Yeah.
Chief Flying Dog.
Nicknamed Old Killer.
Use it to hunt prairie dogs. That Ford is sweet.
Yeah, it is. Probably flathead. 50.
Flathead V8 and a 3-speed manual.
My
Who knows, Shell? Maybe someday we can have a museum. People come
Started in 76.
people come look at all our cars.
Look at that big old car there. Holy smokes.
Oh, back windows smashed in that 59.
Sure is.
Fairlane Crown Victoria.
Galaxy 500.
I like the old gas pumps.
Tristan would like this.
See, we just gotta buy a warehouse and start putting our stuff in it.
Tristan loves bugs.
That's a funky looking front
It's
end.
a poor man Rolls Royce.
Oh,
They
okay.
took a bug.
Yeah, you could buy all these different kits for the bugs. So you just took the hood off and put that hood on.
I'll take the Super Big.
Yeah, you could get Porsche kits and all kinds of stuff, make them look like different stuff. It was wild.
There are children coming along.
No, no children. Dodge Super Bee.
Oh, these are beautiful.
There's an old Porsche.
Yeah, Sam would like that, Tommy.
This-
I swear I've seen this car at a car
I
show
like the skirts
before.
on that.
I like
Jason
skirts.
doesn't like skirts.
On front.
I like
It
skirts.
depends on the car.
Yeah, I don't want them on a truck, but
That's sweet. That's a lot of work on that hood. Them louvers are a pain in the dick.
I swear I've seen this car at a show before. That's fun. They chopped it.
Yeah, I don't like.
What's an El Camino?
Not a real one though.
No. It's
It was a
Nomad.
55 Chevy Nomad. I was gonna say they cut it up.
Yeah, I see now.
It's not a real. Check out how the dude signed his
Tristan loves
pinstriping. That's cool. Now there's an El Camino. And bug.
I'm so glad this place isn't as big as the last car museum we went to and stuff like this. I'd have taken that freaking buggy.
She's going to use it.
I know.
An albino woodchuck. Albino raccoon. Those are weird.
Another Continental kicking back out of that.
Mm-hmm. These louvers in the hood. That's what we should do to that Chevy. Just run those into tubes into the intake.
Oh. These,
That's funny.
some of them make turn signals out.
His father had always insisted that he wear boring clothes. Well, he grew dependent on the glasses with his
Yeah.
hair. And finally, the name. Born Reginald Kenneth Dwight. If that's all they call him. I absolutely.
That's Grand National. Sure is. It's actually supercars. The turbo, I mean. Those cars kill people because they don't have any traction.
A cool museum. Within this world of toil and sin, your head grows bald, but not your chin. Use Burma Shave. Mitchellheim Spider. Pretty wild looking. It's got a fresh inspection on it too. Look at that thing. International Harvester Auto Wagon. That's wild. All these guys trying to get big old tires on their trucks now. Been doing that forever.
Hey, this one probably has real horsepower.
Somebody's got a huge collection of die cast. Donated by Kevin Litz. 675 pieces of 18th, 96 of 12th, and 10 pieces of 10th scale motorcycles. Wow. Look at that bullet. Is this a 1 horsepower?
Yeah.
The Grice Museum really was a cool stop on our adventure weekend, and I definitely recommend that if you're in the Clearfield area and you got $6, stop by and check it out. It was definitely worth it. Thanks for watching the video.